actually made these eggs right here, guys. They're getting better and better in that kitchen. I'm so freaking proud of them. Alright guys, so my son right here, he is organizing the cabinets, guys. He decided he wanted to come up here and organize the cabinets for me. So this is what the stuff is looking like now. He's going to put the stuff the way he thinks it should be organized. He cleaned it out right now.
Yeah, what's up at already up here?
Yeah. So he just washed it down, guys. And now he organizing. Alright guys, so this is the after, guys. He did really, really good. He organized everything so good. He did really good, guys. Look. Now y'all know I love my lemon pepper seasoning, for those who watch and know. And I love my Body Complete. They're my favorite too. But he did really, really good, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm just so excited that they're learning how to, you know, do things for themselves. Guys, so I'm doing my grocery shopping, guys. And I got like some milk so far and some sugar. I don't know if I should get 2 or 3 gallons of milk. But I'll just get 2 for now. I got some lettuce. And they show that right here, they show like the stuff that I usually get. So they put that down there just in case I want to get it again. I know I'm gonna get some bananas. What else? Yeah, I already got a lot of these. I'm not getting no burritos, no eggs, because I got plenty of eggs right now. But I don't know, should I get some? Look down there in that cabinet and see how much gallons of water we got down there. I like to keep stock of a lot of water because we have hurricanes here, so I love to make sure we have a lot. I love to make sure we stay fully stocked with water. I don't never want to run out of water. So I just mostly always get it all the time. I'm trying to see if they got any pics down there. Recommend it with your order. They even recommend stuff too, guys. So I'm just gonna look down here. I'm not gonna get, I was gonna get chocolate milk, but I don't think that's gonna be a good idea because they'll probably go through it very fast. Just as soon as I get it. So I think that's a waste. I might get this Sunday. But I kind of want to get the real deal, the real orange juice. I'm going to get Sunday, I'm going to get the real deal. I wanted to try this, but I don't know. I'm still undecided. I just be undecided every time I'm making an order. I think I'm going to get a 32 pack of cheese because that 24 pack of cheese do not last long. So I'm going to get like a 32 pack. And I'm going to come back with you guys when I do some more shopping and put my order in. Guys, so we have an Amazon haul. We have 2 40-count boxes of cheese puffs. And we also have a 40-count box of Cheetos popcorn. Is like a variety pack. It has cheese, cheese and jalapeno, and spicy cheese. Also over here, guys, we have 2 24 packs of 3-ounce noodles, chicken noodles. Chicken flavor noodles. Hold up, Anthony. He want me to open some sun chips. And I have 2 containers of, I have 2 containers of Snyder Snaps pretzels. I thought this was a really good deal because I think it's a little less than what I was what I paid like originally. Hold up, let me see what's going on with these. Oh, I don't know. I missed the date. It's close. But anyways, this is a little less than what I paid originally, like at a like the one of the warehouses that we go to. I think BJ's. But anyways, that's it for this haul, guys. Chrissy on pause because I'm about to do my haul. Okay, so I got a Walmart haul. This is mostly breakfast foods. Okay, I got 2 gallons of whole milk. I got this chocolate milk, which Anthony and I already started getting into and drinking. I have this gallon of orange juice, all great value. I have this family size of great value original syrup, I have this imitation vanilla flavor. So this like kind of like vanilla extract. I have this cornstarch. I have 2 of these ketchups just to put it back into stock up there. I have 5 of these Quaker grits. They didn't have any Jim Dandy, so I just went ahead and got the Quaker grits for substitution. Let me move this back. Since we didn't went through this, I'll move this over so we can get back here. I got 3 boxes of complete pancakes mix, extra fluffy original. That's how we like our pancakes, fluffy I mean. I got 12 of these brown and served sausages. I have 2 36 counts of eggs. I got these because if I wanted to get the 60 count of eggs, but the way everything's set up in my refrigerator and how my kids are, I just went ahead and got these because they're closed, and this kind of like more convenient for me. But I always get a lot of eggs because we use eggs for a lot of different things. Okay, I have these uncured turkey meat. I have 4 packs. I have 3 cinnamon crunch cereal, and I have 3 of these Great Value fruit spins. I have 8 of these corned beef hash, and I have 2 of these Alaskan salmon, and I have some baking powder. And I can't believe this is it for this haul, y'all. I only ordered like breakfast stuff in this haul because that's how I'm trying to order my stuff, because it's a lot easier and it goes a lot smoother when I don't get everything at once. So you're gonna see the order of he wanna just drink. He fussing about the he cheering about the chocolate milk. He been all in it. All right, guys, so that's it for this haul. Guys, Walmart haul over here, guys. We got some potatoes. We got some bananas. I like organic bananas, and I ordered organic bananas, but I guess they didn't have any organic bananas, so they gave me these regular bananas. We got 2 of these 4 rolls of tissue. We already have tissue, but I like to keep some extra to stock up. I'm adding this to our carpet freshener, guys. I got 2 of these. And I also have this cleaner with bleach. I like to clean my walls down with this. I like to make sure I keep my walls clean. I have this milk bread. I got another loaf of bread that I just got. I have this sensory foam for Anthony, guys. I got to get him more. I thought it came with like a 3-pack, so I'm gonna have to order more for him. I got some sugar. I got 2 bags of this Great Value sugar, guys. I have these sticky notes to write like stuff for my prayer closet. I got these pens, guys. And I got these crayons for the kids, of course. These crayons is like, I think 20-something cents. I'm just trying to get them now, so when school starts, I'll be loaded with school supplies for them. There's some homeschool content coming this school year coming up, so stay tuned for it. I have this pitcher, guys, because I decided to just not buy juice like that anymore, but to buy the powdered drinks and make powdered drinks. I got more pictures than that too. Anyways, I got 2 yellow cake mixes. My kids really like when I make cake, so I'm gonna make some more cake. And I'm not really good at baking or whatever, but the last couple of times I made it really, really good. I have some cream cheese frosting and vanilla frosting. I have some white hangers for the kids' room, and I have black hangers for my room. And that's it for this haul.